Using basic shapes like line, circle, oval, square, rectangle, triangle. After this, basic shapes convert to main diagram shapes. Using these shapes, simplification of the diagram. After this, our diagram little bit three-dimensional, if you can feel it. Main diagram is our rabbit, right? So already I created basic shapes. Then I start to outline the basic shapes. Whatever the basic shape, and together I join. Here I'll join like head part, and here the body, the leg, outer of the basic shapes. Main subject is our rabbit, right? Here helping of the basic shapes, rabbit leg part I diagram easily can I draw. So then the basic shape will look like a dimension, 3-dimension, you can feel it. Reference line, that's using reference line, but here carefully you can use in pencil, HP pencil, lightly you can draw first. After that, little bit make it out darker pencil, you can use 4B or 6B pencil, you can use it. Then whichever right lines you can feel, then you can dark it, then erase it in the basic shapes. Whatever the lightly part will be there, you can erase it. After this, I just wherever the dark tones are middle tone and light tone, the 3 tones will be there. If it is, you feel the 3-dimension, if you want a 3-dimension feel, first identify the middle tone, then observe the light middle tone part, then leave it the light tone. Based on that, I done it here. Then I little bit dark part wherever your requirement will be there, the dark I done it. Then grass, I in the front part of the grass part I done it. Then I need here a little bit dark tones will be required. I using the dark tones. I dark tone, after the dark tone changes you can feel it, the 3-dimension part. Same thing I apply in the grass also. I using a little bit in the back side, little bit dark, then easily that object will be look like a front, the dividing of the sheet part, right? That is our intention. Then I using a light tone of the green, a dark tone and middle tone. Here also same apply because of the 3-dimension feel effect will require. Then I complete the diagram. Now I think this is enough. Thank you.